Hello, I'm the Canadian High Commissioner to Pakistan. I'm here in the beautiful community of Altit up in Upper Hunza. We're participating in the Winterlude Festival organized by SCARF, which is a youth organization indigenous to this community. And it's so encouraging to see the communities themselves, the young people, organizing sport, organizing an opportunity for people to get outdoors. I'm so grateful to the corporate sponsors who are supporting this activity, investing in the youth in Pakistan, in the northern regions, Serena Hotel, HBL, Jalal's Home Solution, and SCO. I think it's wonderful that the community invests in its young people. We were out on the ice today with both girls and boys. We just had a match of the girls' teams. We had representation also from Chitral, which is wonderful, and I'm so encouraged by winter sport and winter activities in Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you so much.